Hello, children. I hope you all are happy and strong today. Welcome to our special English hour. Here we will sing, dance, and have a lot of fun together. यहाँ हम गाने गाएंगे, डांस करेंगे और साथ मिलकर खूब मजे करेंगे. Are you all ready to have some fun? Then please stand up and come a little closer to your TV. Please खड़े हो जाएं और अपने टीवी के जरा सा नजदीक आ जाएं. Now I would like all of you to join me in this wonderful song. Before we move on to our song, I would like to explain you all this song. इस गाने पर डांस करने से पहले मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं इस गाने को आप सभी को एक्सप्लेन करूँ. Now, this is a very, very special song. The name of this song is The Veggie Song. ये एक बहुत ही खास सॉन्ग है और इसका नाम है The Veggie Song. In this song, I will tell you all the names of different vegetables. If you eat these vegetables, you have to clap your hands. इस गाने में मैं आप सभी को कुछ वेजिटेबल्स यानी सब्जियों के नाम बताऊंगी. अगर आप सभी इन वेजिटेबल्स को खाते हैं तो आपको अपने हाथों से क्लैप करना है. Now, we all know that we clap our hands like this. हम ऐसे क्लैप करते हैं, है ना? But in this song, we will clap in a different way. इस गाने में हम एक अलग अंदाज में क्लैप करेंगे. Do you want to see how? We will clap like this. 1, 2 and clap. Can you try to do this with me? क्या आप मेरे साथ क्लैप करने की कोशिश कर सकते हैं? 1, 2 and 3. Very good. Now let us know this song one line by one. Are you all ready? The first line is carrots, peas and beetroot. All of them are so good. Carrots, peas और beetroots ये सारे कितने अच्छे होते हैं ना? Now, if you eat them, you have to clap your hands. अगर आप इन सब्जियों को खाते हैं तो आपको अपने हाथों को इस तरह क्लैप करना है. Can you show me how? Very good. Now, the next line is I eat my veggies every day. In the night and in the day. मैं अपने वेजीज यानी वेजिटेबल्स रोज खाती हूँ. रात को भी खाती हूँ और सुबह भी. Do you also eat your veggies every day? क्या आप भी रोज वेजिटेबल्स खाते हैं? If yes, clap your hands. Very good. Now the next line is corn, cucumber and cauliflower are veggies that make us stronger. ये जो सब्जियां हैं हमें ताकतवर बनाते हैं. Do you eat them? क्या आप भी इन्हें खाते हैं? If yes, clap your hands. Very good. Now the next line is beans, radish and potatoes always keep us on our toes. बीन्स, रेडिश और पोटैटोज हमें हमेशा आगे बढ़ने के लिए ताकत देते हैं. डू यू ऑल्सो ईट देम? क्या आप भी इन्हें खाते हैं? इफ यस, क्लैप योर हैंड्स लाइक दिस. अगर हाँ, तो अपने हाथों को इस तरह क्लैप करें. Wow, you have learned the vegetable song. Now, let us sing and dance to this song with some music in it. Children, today we will sing the vegetable song. Carrots, peas and beetroots, oh, all of them are so good. Now, clap your hands if you eat them too. I eat my veggies every day, in the night and in the day. Now, clap your hands if you do this too. Corn, cucumber and cauliflower are veggies that make us stronger. Now, clap your hands if you eat them too. Beans, radish and potatoes always keep us on our toes. Now, clap your hands if you eat them too. I hope you all had fun singing and dancing with me. Now it's time to learn some new words. अब हम कुछ नए शब्द सीखेंगे. R E D, red, red, red. Saya's frock is red in color. S I N G, sing, sing, sing. Mayuri loves to sing. G R E E N, green, green, green. Trees are green in color. V I O L E T, violet, violet, violet. Brinjal is violet in color. R A I N B O W, rainbow, rainbow, rainbow. We see a beautiful rainbow in the sky after it rains. Now, I will read these words once again, and all of you have to try and read these words with me. मैं इन शब्दों को एक और बार पढ़ूंगी. इस बार आप सभी को इन शब्दों को मेरे साथ दोहराने की कोशिश करनी है. Are you all ready? Our first word is red. Can you all try to say red? Very good. Our next word is sing. Can you all try to say sing? Good. Our next word is green. Can you all try to say green? Excellent. Now our next word is violet. Can you all try to say violet. Very good. And our last word is rainbow. Can you all try to say rainbow? Very well done. I hope all of you were able to repeat these words after me. Children, do you know how many colors do we have in a rainbow? क्या आप जानते हैं कि एक रेनबो यानी इंद्रधनुष में कितने रंग होते हैं? There are 7 colors in a rainbow. इंद्रधनुष में 7 यानी 7 रंग होते हैं. Now let us learn which are these colors in our poem. चलो अब हम अपने पोएम में ये सीखते हैं कि ये रंग कौन से हैं. Please open page number 56 of your My English textbook. If you have a textbook, please point your finger on the words with me. अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक है तो अपनी उंगली को इस तरह मेरे साथ शब्दों पर रखें. But if you don't have a textbook, please don't worry. Look at your screen and listen to me carefully. अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं है तो प्लीज चिंता ना करें. अपने स्क्रीन को ध्यान से देखें और मेरी आवाज को भी ध्यान से सुनें. The name of our poem is Rainbow and the Colors. Red, orange, yellow, लाल, नारंगी और पीला, ग्रीन, ब्लू, इंडिगो, हरा, नीला और इंडिगो, एंड वायलेट मेक्स अ रेनबो. और बैंगनी रंग मिलकर रेनबो बनते हैं. लेट्स सिंग अगेन. चलो अब हम फिर से गाते हैं. रेड, ऑरेंज, येलो, लाल, नारंगी और पीला, ग्रीन, ब्लू, इंडिगो, हरा, नीला, इंडिगो, एंड वायलेट मेक्स अ रेनबो. और बैंगनी रंग मिलकर रेनबो बनते हैं. Children, now let us sing this poem together. Are you all ready? चलो अब हम सब मिलकर इस पोएम को गाते हैं. क्या आप सब तैयार हैं? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet makes a rainbow. Let's sing again. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet makes a rainbow. Now, I want all of you to try and sing this poem with me. मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप सभी इस कविता को मेरे साथ गाने की कोशिश करें. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet makes a rainbow. Let's sing again. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet makes a rainbow. I hope all of you had fun singing this poem with me. Children, now can you tell me what are the different colors of a rainbow? क्या अब आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि एक रेनबो में कौन से रंग होते हैं? Yes, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. A rainbow has 7 colors. रेनबो में 7 रंग होते हैं. Now let us do an activity. On your screen, you will see some pictures. In these pictures, you will see some things and then you will also see some colors. You have to look at these things carefully and then match them with their correct color. अब आपको आपकी स्क्रीन पर कुछ तस्वीरें नजर आएंगी। आपको इन तस्वीरों को गौर से देखकर इन्हें इनके सही रंग के साथ जोड़ना है। Are you all ready? Let's go. For example, children, can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is a frog. Now, what is the color of this frog? इस frog का रंग क्या है? Yes, yellow. Now, just like this, I want all of you to match the rest of the pictures with their correct color. Now, let us look at the answers. Now, this here is a picture of a tomato. ये एक टमाटर की पिक्चर है. And this tomato is red in color. Very good. Now the next picture is an orange. ये एक orange की तस्वीर है. And the color of this orange is also orange. इस orange यानी संतरे का रंग भी orange है. The next picture is a brinjal. Can you tell me what is the color of this brinjal? Yes, this brinjal is violet in color. इस brinjal का रंग violet है. Now let us look at the last picture. Can you tell me which bird is this? ये कौन सा पंछी है? Yes, this is a parrot. And this parrot is green in color. Very well done. Children, did you all like this activity? Now, I have a very special guest for our next activity. Baloo, say hi to everyone. Great. Now we will learn some new actions. अब हम कुछ नए actions सीखने वाले हैं. I will tell you all the names of some actions and all of you have to repeat these actions with Baloo. अब मैं आप सभी को कुछ actions के नाम बताऊंगी. आप सभी को बल्लू के साथ मिलकर वो actions मुझे करके दिखाना है. Are you all ready? Baloo, are you ready? Great. Our very first action is stand straight. Stand straight यानी सीधा खड़े होना. Children, can you all stand straight? Very good. Our next action is turn around. Baloo, can you turn around? Wow. Children, can you all turn around? Very well done. Now, our next action is jump. Wow. Children, can you all jump? Very good. Now, Baloo, can you take this book? क्या तुम ये बुक मुझसे ले सकते हो? Very good. Now, Ballu, can you open the book? क्या तुम बुक खोल सकते हो? Wow! Now, can you close the book? क्या तुम बुक बंद कर सकते हो? Great! Children, can you all close the book? Very good. Ballu, can you give me the book? क्या तुम मुझे बुक दे सकते हो? Very good. Thank you. Now it's time for our last action. Ballu, can you take this duster and wipe the board? क्या तुम बोर्ड साफ कर सकते हो? Yes, we wipe the board like this. Can you all show me how to wipe the board? Yes, very well done. We learned a lot of new actions today. Stand straight, turn around, open book, close book, give the book, take the book, and even wipe the board. I hope all of you had fun with us. Thanks a lot for coming today, Ballu. Bye bye. I hope you all like this activity. Now let us do another activity. On your screen, you will see some pictures. You have to look at the pictures carefully and then match them with their correct actions. अब आपको आपकी स्क्रीन पर कुछ तस्वीरें नजर आएंगी. आपको इन तस्वीरों को गौर से देखकर उन्हें उनके सही एक्शन के साथ जोड़ना है. All the best! For example, can you tell me what is the boy in the first picture doing? क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि ये पहली तस्वीर में जो लड़का है वो क्या कर रहा है? Yes, he is standing straight. वो सीधा खड़ा है. So the answer is stand straight. Now, just like this, I want all of you to match the rest of the pictures. Now, let us look at the answers. Can you tell me what is the boy in the second picture doing? Yes, he is jumping. वो कूद रहा है. So, the answer is jump. Now, can you tell me what is the boy here doing? क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि यहाँ ये लड़का क्या कर रहा है? Yes, he is turning around. वो घूम रहा है. So the answer is turn around. Very good. Now let us look at the next picture. Can you tell me what is the girl doing here? क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि ये लड़की यहाँ क्या कर रही है? Yes, she is wiping the board. वो board साफ कर रही है. So the correct answer is wipe the board. Now let us look at the last picture. Can you tell me what is the boy here doing? क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि ये लड़का क्या कर रहा है? Yes, he is opening his book. So the answer is open the book. Very well done. I hope you all like this session. Today we learned a lot of new things. We learned that the rainbow has 7 colors. And we also learned some new actions. आज हमने सीखा कि रेनबो यानी इंद्रधनुष के 7 रंग होते हैं और हमने कुछ नए एक्शंस भी सीखे हैं. Now I would like all of you to show your family and friends 2 new actions that we learned. अब मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप सभी अपने परिवार और दोस्तों को आज हमने जो एक्शन सीखे हैं उनमें से कोई 2 करके दिखाएं. I want you all to show them how to open your book and close your book. उन्हें आप अपनी बुक ओपन करके दिखाएं और फिर क्लोज करके दिखाएं. I will see you all in the next session. Until then, stay home and stay safe. Bye bye.